Would you like to dominate on social media? I'm talking about where everything is going to be completely done for you and where you're actually going to be able to create something that's going to make you look completely unique. If that's interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of USP Usurper. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. My jokes, they're stale, they're boring. I get it. I tell boring dad jokes, but I like my jokes. I tell them anyway. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, in my ask? Well, it's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't know very much of rap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously, we need an intervention, okay? An intervention, Bart. This is enough, okay? We love you. We care about you. Please stop with the crap thing, though. Please. Can we do an intervention for this man? Please. Seriously, if you're new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. It's good to see you back, by the way. You see, Liz, she's not always on all my videos, but she's so sweet when she is. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for USP Usurper. This is from my friend Cam. Cam is one of the best writers that I know. He really makes premium content that just blows everybody else away. I mean, seriously, amazing stuff. Some of the best materials I've ever seen from anybody, and I don't say that lightly. And frankly, if you think you're going to get good content out of ChatGPT, you can get competent content out of ChatGPT. Cam stuff just makes that stuff look like a third grader wrote it. Seriously, it is the best writing I've seen anywhere. Seriously high quality stuff. He's got 14 articles here that are designed to be used as a newsletter, and that you can go ahead and use in order to create high quality content. It's giving it to you for less than $8, $7.97 for the whole business. $7.97. That's everything. Okay, but of course, this wouldn't be one of my promotions if I didn't also give you a custom bonus. So I actually have 4 different custom bonuses for you, because I've been doing a lot of research in order to get you exactly what you need. So first and foremost, I just found a brand new AI system. This new system is designed. Let me read you some of the features it's got. So first of all, trending analytics. So it's going to let you see which things are hot topics on the various social media platforms. This is usually valuable because if you want to take advantage of what's going on in the world, this is how you do it. They're also going to give you an engagement heat map where you can actually use the system to check out what kind of engagement you're getting on images. It'll tell you where people are clicking most on images on places like Instagram. They're going to give you rating, where they're going to take the guesswork out of the quality of your stuff. They have an AI system that's actually going to go ahead and tell you how likely something is to get you good results. They have content assistant, of course, and generative AI, just like you would expect from any AI system, just like ChatGPT does, just like Midjourney and all those kind of things. Okay, but these other features are unique to this particular product. And now here's the really crazy part about it. They haven't even launched yet. Okay, they are currently in beta only. Okay, if I take a look at their sales page, I'm not going to show it to you. You'll be able to see it in the custom bonus. But if I take a look at their sales page specifically says that the paid options are coming soon. You can only get the free version of this right now, and the free version is free for life. It's going to give you 1,000 credits every single month. So it's not, 5 credits, you try it out for a couple of seconds and then you're done. You get a significant amount of content done for you. You get the content generation, you get the content grading, you get the trending analytics for the past 30 days. Okay, you got 50 megabytes of storage space, and you have up to 100 projects included with the free version that you do not ever have to pay for. And it's 1,000 credits every single month. Now, if you do want to do things like the heat map, that's going to be with the paid versions, which are coming soon. They're not even available yet, but all the other features come completely for free, and you have them for life for free with this package. Now, of course, again, as I said, this is not the only bonus I'm giving you. I've got other bonuses besides that. So what else do I have for you? Well, I'm also going to go ahead and hand over, excuse me. Let me just read it to you because I want to make sure I'm getting this right. I'm going to be handing over to you as well a system that creates social media bios. And what do I mean by this? This system is designed to create a bio for dozens of different social media platforms. Every single one of them, you're going to be able to use a different bio, and it has different options where you can make it funny, you can make it serious, you can make it professional. You can use emojis, no emojis. You can use hashtags, no hashtags. And it's completely free. There's no charge for it. You can't even pay for it if you wanted to. Okay, another thing that I found for you, which is completely free, no charge for it, is going to show you how to get perfect domain names every single time. It's going to use an AI system to pick out perfect domain names for you. And finally, I am also going to be handing over to you a brand new chatbot that I found, which actually will be trained on your website, and which will allow you to go ahead and put a bot on your website, and is completely free for life. They do have a paid option again, but the standard option has enough in it that you can keep it for life. It's not a trial, it's a standard free option you can keep forever. And it's going to give you enough conversations every single month that for most people, that's all you're going to ever need. You're never going to need to pay for it. You're going to get all 4 of those bonuses. These are my courses that I created myself with full PLR rights. You have the right to sell them, give them away, use them as your own bonus. And of course, you also have full PLR rights to Cam's product as well. Again, you can rebrand them, sell them, use them as your own bonus, whatever you want to do. All of that is included. So let me show you the newsletters. I downloaded it to my own computer here. You can see here some of the great content. I mean, this is really good reading. The easy button. Back in 2005, the supply store known as Staples started running these AI campaigns to run a fictional easy button. It was bright red. Okay, plastic button that looked like a toy. This is evoking emotions, it's evoking people's memories. This is very, very well written. Okay, of course, everyone had one in the office, blah, blah, blah. Somebody asked if you have seen his easy button anywhere. Oh, you can use mine. Okay, use it instantly. Office is immaculate again, no mess, blah, blah, blah. Okay. But it became this whole running gag for years. It was something that Staples was known for. And he goes on and on explaining all this in his series. And then basically what he does is he sums it up in order to get you excited. And this whole series is all about what a unique selling position is. Now, a unique selling position, for those who don't know, USP means that you have a unique reason why people would buy from you as opposed to somebody else. So, for example, First of all, one of my USPs is that I am the man in the hat. I am a personality that you know, hopefully that you trust, that you enjoy watching my videos. So you come here to check out what I've got for sale. The other thing that is a unique selling proposition for me is the fact that I'm always giving out quality bonuses. Every single time I do a promo, I never ever do a promo without giving you really great bonuses that are far and away blow away what anybody else is doing, because I always make fresh bonuses. I do not just go ahead and say, okay, well, let's slap together some crap that I found from 1998. This is only fresh stuff that I've just created myself, and you get full PLR rights to it. That's another USP for me. So this is going to teach you everything you need to know about creating your own unique selling proposition so that you can also be successful online. Really impressive stuff for less than $8. Truly one of the best things I've seen. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip on my hat to the product creator.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you absolutely deserve a huge tip of the hat. This is amazing quality content. Really wonderful stuff. Grab this thing for less than $8. You are absolutely going to love it.